What's up, YouTube? Hey, I had to tap in before the night was over just to check in with the family, guys. Listen, if you made money on today, please let me know down in the comments below. The Fed Jerome Powell spoke after reading the minutes, and you saw the market begin to go down, okay? You had a mixed day on today. It finished down, but it made a run in the morning time, okay? So, again, depending on what you guys were doing, maybe some of your puts were working, maybe some of your calls were working for those that played options this week, okay? Listen though, guys, we had still some things that we can be excited about. Palantir being one of the focal points that I wanted to touch on in this video. Check it out, guys. The run that it had today was major for many reasons. It broke through a major technical resistance level that we wanted to see before it can go the next leg higher, okay? So with that being understood, now guys, it can start to pick up some steam because it has broke through a barrier that was once a level that it couldn't get through, okay? So for those of you that's in Palantir, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know how many shares you got, because this is a play, like I said from the jump. We got in this at 18 and around the $20 range for those that bought at the right levels that we talk and discuss each and every day, okay? And with that being said, again, we have a $40 price target on this. Now, with everything that's happening in the market, you guys been with me long enough to see some of the things that's been happening to high momentum and high risk type of stocks, okay? They continuously get beat down if you overstay your welcome, okay? So that's why you either have to have a trading plan that you are either in and out when you up 30, 40, 50% versus trying to stay in the play for far too long, guys. But listen, that being neither here nor there, so my long-term investors, ride it out, okay? I'm a long-term investor. That's why I can ride through the turbulence with relative ease, come out unscathed, and always win in the end, because the longer your time horizon, the less these volatile days matter, okay? But listen, for my shorter term traders, those of you that are trying to make money in a shorter time span, some of you that's trying to get rich quick, no matter what end of the spectrum you fall on, all I want you to do, guys, is have your game plan intact and be on point, okay? Because these plays, as you can see, will go down and go down mightily on red days, on news of tapering. You guys saw what came down the pipe today, for those of you that's keeping up with the news and what the Fed is talking about. And now that tapering is being discussed, the market don't want to hear it. And so expect some volatility, meaning expect some red in your portfolio, because again, the market doesn't respond very well to inflation, tapering. Anytime they're going to stop the money, again, that's not good for the stock market, guys. But you have to have a plan and you have to play it accordingly, okay? Listen, guys, Palantir, major move today. That's significant for a variety of reasons, okay? Especially on this new journey that is on. So be mindful of that. Also, guys, understand that with the sentiment changing, with tapering now in the mix, expect volatility. If you're going to expect volatility, you guys got to have your strategy in place for how you want to go about it, okay? So listen, if you guys are seeing plays going down, anticipate that and take advantage of that. Always use what the market give you, okay? You can go against the grain on things you know that's going to go up. But again, if you see that it's a consistent downtrend, like I showed with the heat map, and I'll show the heat map here again, but if you see a consistent downtrend, you have to expect that things are going to get worse before they get better. That comes with the market though, guys. Your perspective, your psychology about money matters. And remember, do not invest money you can't afford to lose. I don't care if it's in the stocks, I don't care if it's in the options, guys. You got to protect yourself, because there's many factors at play beyond your control, beyond my control, that we can't do anything about. We can't do nothing about market manipulation. We can't do nothing about Wall Street targeting plays. We can't do nothing about shorting. We can't do nothing about global mayhem that affects the stock market and affects what we do over here in the US. All those things are things you got to factor in whether you want to or not, because you and your plays can get derailed if you guys are not on your A game and if you get knocked off your square easily. So make sure that you are only investing with money you are okay with parting ways with. Again, don't overdo it. Sometimes you gotta also test the water so that you can see. I often say nibble, okay? Sometimes you need to nibble and ease into your position before fully putting all your money into the position, okay? Because again, if you have not yet fully learned the technical levels that your plays can fall to, you may be buying a falling knife, or you may be buying prematurely when the play isn't done bottoming out, okay? All those are things that, as long as you're on this journey, you're going to continue to learn and get better at, okay? So don't beat yourself up too bad. Understand, like I often say each and every day, that it's a marathon, guys. Embrace the fact that it's a marathon and understand there's lessons to be learned, okay? Anytime you lose money, you should be looking at the lesson you can learn from it, okay? That's data that you want to glean and gather for yourself so that you can be better on the next go round. That's how I got better, guys. I didn't just come out the gate and just start dominating the stock market. Every time I lose, every time I'm too early exiting a play, didn't hold a play long enough, didn't wait long enough, didn't demonstrate patience, that's how I came up and began to sharpen my skills to get to a level where no matter what the market do, I can do my thing, okay? Now I can help others do the same, long as you guys are coming to the table with the right mindset, okay? That's where it all starts at. I talk about a championship mindset a lot because that's truly where it all begins, and you guys gotta make sure that you are coming with the right heart, with the right mind, because the market is gonna test you. They're not gonna give you any easy wins, and the times that they do, trust and believe they're gonna take it right back, okay? You gotta know how the game go, but you gotta be in it to win it, but you gotta be in it for the right reasons, and you gotta be in it for both the ups and the downs. Man, I love the stock market. Matter of fact, I love all of this turbulence and adversity that 2021 has brought compared to 2020. Although 2020 was a great ride, you don't learn anything when you don't have any adversity. 2021, you got to use more skills, you got to use more tactics, you got to use more strategy. And again, for real investors or real competitors, people like myself, I get up. That's why I say it's a game day every single day for me in the market, because I'm getting a chance to do my thing. I'm getting a chance to go against the hedge funds, the Wall Street, and see if my chess moves can outsmart the moves that they're trying to make to go against what I'm trying to do, okay? Listen, guys, the 100K challenge is still intact. It ain't over till it's over. Remember, it's a marathon, and remember to finish strong, okay? Listen, guys, we got Thursday coming up. Another chance to do our thing. We got 2 more days left in the trading week. And so, guys, take what the market give you. Make sure that you guys are sticking to your game plan, okay? Whether you are a trader, whether you are a long-term holder, no matter where you fall on the spectrum, whether you're a gambler, whatever you're doing, make sure that you got a game plan for what you're doing, and make sure you follow and stick to your script. Listen, guys, I got to get ready to go, but I couldn't leave without tapping in with the family. Again, guys, stay locked, stay loaded, and let's get ready to have another good day tomorrow, man. Let me know if you guys made some money down in the comments below. Regardless, we're going to get to the bag again tomorrow. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.